guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so are you actually struggling to get rid of unwanted hair, especially at the jaw and at the chin, around that place, or you want to get rid of your body hair naturally without any pain or without actually waxing it and feeling so much pain? If you want to, this remedy is going to help you do that, and it's actually very natural and also very effective. So it's actually going to help you in getting rid of all of the hair, and not only that, it's also going to help to delay the growth of a new one. Okay, so it therefore means that if your hair grows in 3 days, with this treatment your hair is going to delay till around 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay. Alright, so if you want to know what the natural ingredient comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button. Don't forget that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Now, if you have any doubts about anything, drop your questions on my website. I have a link down below. Alright, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so for this we're going to be needing this, and we're going to be needing coconut. Okay, so in this coconut we're actually going to be needing the coconut milk. Okay, so use coconut water if you have one, but if you can't get coconut water, then you can use the coconut milk itself. Alright, so now we're just going to be getting the coconut juice. So what I'm going to do is to cut it in pieces, guys. So you just cut this in little tiny pieces. Okay, coconut oil is great for the skin. It helps to glow, and it also helps to remove pigmentations, and it also helps for an unwanted hair. So I'm gonna go blend this. Okay, I'm just gonna be transferring it into a blender. Now, to enable me blend it very well, I'm gonna be putting in a little bit of water. Okay, that's what we're going to be sieving out to give us the coconut milk. Alright, so let's go. So here is the blended coconut. It's actually like too full right now, although we're just gonna be needing just a little out of that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to just take in 2 tablespoons. It depends on how much you want, how much of the coconut milk you want, guys. So what you do is to strain it. Okay, coconut milk, not juice. So you strain it just like what I'm doing right now. And then the last ingredients which we're going to be needing for this hair removal will be starch. Okay, you can either use cornstarch or you can use just the normal starch they sell in the market. I'm sure you can buy this in a local market, okay, where they sell like flour, rice, and all of those corn maize and all of those things. Okay, so that's where you see starch. This is ordinary starch. Okay, so that's what you're going to be needing. So to put in the starch, I'm going to be needing 2 tablespoons of the starch into the coconut milk. So we have 2 tablespoons of. Then we're going to be needing a little bit of paste, and for this you're going to be needing white toothpaste. It does not necessarily has to be Colgate, guys, but it has to be white toothpaste because it helps so much. Okay, and now for the Colgate, you're just going to press in just a little quantity of the Colgate into the mix. Okay, so after that is done, then we're going to stir it and mix it together. Now you have to make sure that the consistency is very friendly, like not so liquid and not too solid. But if it is too solid, just like what I have here, then you have to put in more of the coconut milk, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to be taking in the coconut milk again. Just take 1 tablespoon of that and then strain out the milk into this. Now you mix it. So you mix it very well. Alright, so this consistency is perfect, guys. So what you do is that you then grab it, and then you would have to apply it on your body, on your jaw, or on your chest, or on your private area where you actually do not want hair anymore. Okay, so what you do is to grab this and then you apply it generously, just like this. You make sure it covers the hair, guys, like covers all of the hair, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, so when you have spread it generously onto your unwanted hair area, what you now do is to allow this dry. Okay, so when it's dry, then you can start scrubbing. You scrub it like this in a circular motion. You're going to be noticing that all of your hairs is going to fall off. Okay, so this particular one, you can't store it, guys. You shouldn't store this because it's not going to be good enough to use the next day. For this treatment, you can actually use it for just 3 days, and after 3 days all of your hair is going to be gone, and it's just not going to grow back easily. Although it's going to grow back with time, but it's not going to grow back very fast as it usually is. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now you now know how to get rid of all of the unwanted hair naturally without, you know, pain or whatsoever. Like coconut milk would do that for you. Okay, so go try this out. I'm sure it's going to be effective for you, and remember that it is actually natural. It's way natural, so it's something you have to repeat and repeat. Okay, so if you loved that video, please don't forget, or this video right here, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And drop your questions on my website. Okay, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and smooth. Bye, guys, and mwah.